capable of fabricating pretty much any glass shape that you need, various thicknesses, various materials. We are very flexible in what we can do and being able to supply whatever you may need.
And we serve aerospace, medical,
lighting fixtures,
semiconductor industry,
military,
gas, oil,
electronics.
optics.
and chip manufacturing.
It's a wide range. In this small little town, we reach out to the world.
We do double-sided lapping and polishing. We have the capabilities of grinding and polishing down to probably 500 microns in thickness. We're working on a little bit thinner than that right now. We have heat tempering, chemical strengthening, and we have plenty of CNC milling capabilities. And we've just added wire slicing capability, which seems to really tie up all the loose ends of flat glass fabrication under one roof. We can also microblast channels, squares, any shapes into the surfaces of wafers.
But the microblaster can do it on glass that is so much thinner. That is something that is unique to it, and that's unique for other people because there are people that are working with glass that is 0.3 millimeters thick, and that is not something that everybody can do, but we can. When I first came here, which I've been here almost 30 years, plus or minus 0.5, plus or minus 0.3, those were tolerances, and now those are thicknesses that we are working and we are achieving here at Swift Glass.
Having the capabilities just to do everything in-house just saves a lot of time, and we're able to do so much because of it.
From the quantities of one piece up to 10,000 pieces.
We have various checks. Operators are required to do a first article on almost every part they do. And then there are some varying customers that have higher standards that the QC department will actually, throughout the process, check pieces, if not the whole run, but sometimes a varying SQL level to ensure that the parts are to the proper quality that the customer requires.
I'm a third generation family owner here. And when I was really little, my father would bring me in on the weekends, and I'd come out in the factory and just hang out with all the workers here. And some of them are still here today. It's really important to me to treat our employees like family because they're important to us.
Our fused silica and our quartz and our borosilicate, low iron glass, those types of products, having them here at our facility ready in large sheets or boule form allows us to react faster to what our customers need.
Whatever question that you have can get answered.
So at least give us a shot, give us a small order so we can prove ourselves, so we can prove our quality and our delivery, and I know that you'll be happy with us.